Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an alternative keyboard in Ubuntu 13.04 that lets you type an acute accent, also known as a Fada in Irish. So the way that you do that is you can either install the Irish keyboard or the international English keyboard, and I'll show you that here. So let's go to Settings, go into the keyboard pane, go into Layout Settings, click the plus to add a new keyboard. You can either type Irish or English, so I'll just add both of them to show you that they both work. So English, you want the international Alt-GR dead keys keyboard layout. That's the one that I got working. So I've added both keyboards, and then in the top right corner you'll see a keyboard pop down that lets you choose the keyboard you want. So I'll start by choosing the Irish keyboard, and then I'll just open gedit. And the way that you type this is you hold down the right Alt key, and then you type the character you want. So that shows you an example, and then if you want a capital letter, you just hold down Shift as well. So that works there, and then we can switch to the alternative English keyboard, and you'll see it says EN subscript 2, so you know that you're on the second English keyboard. And then the same thing here. Hold down the right Alt key, type your vowel, and it's really easy. Takes a little bit of getting used to, for me anyway, to type the right Alt key, but it's way easier than trying to copy and paste or do whatever. So that's pretty much it. And then you can also look at the keyboard layout here. Let's see. Oh, so pick a layout, and then click on this little keyboard icon, and it'll show you the mappings here. So the way this works is the bottom left corner is the default key. The one above it is the key that comes when you hold down the Shift key. So directly to the right of the default key is the key that will happen if you just hold down the right Alt key, and then of course the one above that is if you hold down Alt and Shift. So you can see what kind of keys you get with each keyboard. They're probably slightly different. Yeah, there's some differences between the two, but both of those should work for Irish. So that's pretty much it.